Hi, I'm Holly McLean with Trainli TV, and today we have a special episode for all the fans of the new Lone Peak Tram at Big Sky. Now, you may have purchased one or two of these tram cabins at one of the local ski shops in Big Sky. And now you're wondering, how can I make this tram work? Well, we have the solution. Trainli is the exclusive provider of the Jaegerndofer upgrade kit for your tram cars. This kit comes with a base station and a top station, and it'll auto reverse your tram cars. And so you can have this set up in your home, office, or even your garden railroad. So here's some information on how to put together the tram kit upgrade. If you don't have one of these trams and you'd like to purchase one, they are exclusively offered through Big Sky Resort. Okay, what comes with the base station is these two clamps. And if you see on the base station here, there's these nice angular slots. And not only are they decorative, but they're also used to hold these clamps in place. Okay, that should be pretty good. Okay, well, what I'd like to do is show you how to adjust this clamp on the top station of the tramway. It's pretty straightforward, pretty simple. There's a little Phillips screw right inside the base here. And all you have to do is just take a Phillips screwdriver and loosen that up a few turns, like so. And then you don't have to take it completely out, just loosen it up. And then this will rotate to where you can have it as a vertical mount or a horizontal mount. And I'm going to do it as flip it all the way around, because I'm going to hook it onto this handrail behind me just for a little demonstration purposes. And I need a little screw clamp on top because there's not enough room on the bottom. But like I said, very straightforward. You can use it as a horizontal or a vertical clamp. And then once you have it in the position that you want, just tighten this back up. There's a and like I said, you don't have to take this all the way out. Just loosen it up to where it will turn. All right. And here you go. We have it all done. And I just have it on the screw tightener on the top so I can attach it to the railing behind me. Pretty straightforward, pretty simple. Now, once you have the base station and the top station secured, and you have them the right distance apart, there's a really important thing that you need to do in order for this to run correctly. And that's to make sure that you have the rope going the right way. And so you have these three wheels, and it goes under this one, over that one, under that one, and over this one. And then there is a piece of, in the packing, there's a piece of clear tape right on this side here. You take that off, and this unhooks. And what you want to do is take this rope and run it under this pulley here so that it comes in, and then it's in a nice straight alignment to the bull wheel. And you can put this back on. And you need to do that on both sides. Also, this little tab right here is the switch that lets the motor know to pause and then go in the other direction. So I'll go ahead and do the other side. What's nice about this tramway is it has two sources of power. The first is the 4 AA batteries, and the compartment is on the same side as the speed control knob is. And it's very easy. You just pop it open like that, and we slide in our 4 AA batteries. Then we close the hatch back up. You get this end in first, so it slides in and closes up. And then that's all there is to it. And it'll operate via battery power. Another option is a power supply. This is available also through our store, and that just plugs in on the opposite side here. There's a little hole where it can be plugged in, and then it will run on AC power. So, 2 ways of powering your tramway, both battery and AC. And here's how the little switch works. As the cable car comes in, it hits that switch, which shuts it off. It pauses for the amount of time that you want, and then auto reverses going back the other way. This here is the pause control to make it a shorter or longer pause before it heads back in the other direction. And then this dial here is from slow to a little bit faster. Well, as you can see, it is very simple and easy to add this upgrade kit to your tram cars and have a beautiful functioning model tram in your home, office, or garden railroad. Remember, Trainli is the exclusive provider of the Jaegerndofer upgrade kit for your tram cars. And if you'd like any more information or questions on your garden railroad or how to set up your tram or questions, please contact me at holly@trainli.com. Thanks for watching, and remember to like us and follow us on Facebook and YouTube. Thanks again.